Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can complete new driver challenges to play competitive. As you can see here, if I want to play competitive, I must complete new driver challenges. And to find these challenges, you need to just go to view challenges tab here and you should see new driver challenges. And you need to complete all these challenges here. So first one, complete the basic tutorial, get one shot on goal on online matches, get 2 centers and clears on online matches, play one online match, complete goalie training in training playlist at rookie difficulty, and play 5 online matches. So first I will show you basic training tutorial and goalie tutorial. You just need to go to training and then tutorial here and do the basic training here. It will be with the little diamond here. So guys, tutorial completed and should be on my tasks that it should complete it. As you can see here, it says that it's completed. And now go with a goalie training in the rookie difficulty here. So you just need to go to play, training, and then goalie, and select rookie difficulty. And I just completed goalie training here. And also in my challenges should be that this is completed. So I just need to complete these 3 sets of matches and I should be able to play competitive. So I just played one match and got 1 shot on goal and 2 centers and clears. And now I just need to play 4 more online matches in 2v2 or 2v3 and to get this basically new driver challenge unlocked. So I just completed all the things here and I should able to play the game. Of course, for a competitive, you need to have level 20 or higher. In my case, I don't have it here. As you can see here, for me, it's level only 6, it's all to count. But if you complete all the steps and you all the challenges and you have the level, you should able to play the game. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like.